crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to make a super cute version of this card here using products from Scrappy Boy Stamps. Let's get into it right now. All right, for our card base, I have a piece of white, thick, heavy white cardstock cut at 5.5 by 12, and I scored it at 6 inches. That's going to be my card base. So I'm going to give that a good score with my bone folder. And then I have a piece of white cardstock that I cut out the base of the hoodie. And then I've got all my little parts and pieces cut out. And I used a piece of the I Love Theme Park pattern paper. I cut this at 5 1/4 by 6 3/4. I'm sorry, 5 3/4 by 5 1/4. That's going to be for our card front. So we'll go ahead and attach that. I will attach this to the card front. There is our decorative piece for our card front. I also have a piece of 3/4 inch pattern paper to add to the inside. So I will take and add liquid glue about 1/4 inch up from the inside of the card. I will attach our pattern paper onto that. Make sure that has an even margin. We'll trim this excess off later. So we're going to leave that right there for now. I did not cut the sleeve part of the hoodie. So we are going to do that together. This is the part we're going to have to cut right now. With this out of the way, I'm going to pull up my die cutting machine and I'm going to cut this layer out. I'm just going to cut it out from some red cardstock. I'm just going to lay that on there and I will run that through the die cutting machine. That will give me my layer for my card front. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and layer that on. It's going to be up to you. We'll just go ahead and layer it on today since it's already cut out. Just going to use liquid glue. Add that behind that. I will layer that on where it all has an even margin, like so. And I've got my decorative piece for the inside. I also cut from the I Love Theme Park pattern paper. That's going to go right in there. Just going to line that up right at the top and the bottom. All right, for the center, we've got our little decorative piece for the zipper. So we're going to take and add that. That lines up right at the top and comes down. We've got our little decorative piece from the bottom. This is from the add-on. This is from the hoodie set. So I will add this on. There's that. For the sleeves, I cut that out of the same pattern paper that we used for the decorative part of the card. And there is a right and wrong. If you look at the longest little part right here, that's how you know which side goes on which sleeve because it's slightly different. This one's more oblong and this has the little dent in it. And it's the same on both sides. So you have that little dent right there and this is more straight. You want that to line up. So there is our decorative little sleeves. And then we've got our little pockets that have zippers. So you have your base layer of your pocket, and I just cut that from red cardstock on both sides. And then there's also 2 little zipper pieces that go on there. So we'll add that one over here, just mirroring it to our other side. And we'll add our zipper in the middle. So I'm just going to add little dots of liquid glue to that, right down the center, and we'll add that right to the center of our card front, just like so. Then we have our little zipper for our pockets, so we can add those on just with little dots of liquid glue. Just go right in the little piece right there. I've got my other little zipper pocket, so I will add liquid glue behind it. We'll add it to this pocket over on this side. Then we have our zipper. I cut it from black cardstock, and then the layering piece I've cut from white cardstock. So we'll layer our little mouse hand in there our zipper pull. That will get added on with some liquid glue. So we'll add that to our jacket right there. Then we have our little logos. So that's cut with a couple different circles. I've cut one from red, so I'm going to add that over here. I cut one from white to layer with. And then I cut a scalloped one from red. It's going to go right there. And then we have our little mouse head that we will add into this. And I will show you a cute set too. If you wanted to add a sentiment to your card, you can. Okay, so now we're just going to attach that onto our card front. So I will add liquid glue to the back. And that's just going to go onto our card. We're just going to center that up right there. Now, if you wanted to add a sentiment, I would suggest grabbing the Mouse Ears alphabet and numbers, because you could add a sentiment, die cut those letters out and add a sentiment on here, or a sentiment to the inside, whichever. So we will trim off this excess paper right there. Now, you can also trim these off, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to trim those right along the edge of the card. And then I will add a little bit of highlights. We'll add some highlights to our hoodie back here. And that's going to have a little shadow right there, or highlight. We'll do some to this one. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of highlights to the bottom. To our little zipper pockets. All right, here's a look at the card we just made together today. Here's a look at the inside of that one. Here is a look at the one I made earlier. If you need any of the products that you've seen used today, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video right over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.